Ever feel like you're playing hide and seek with your own meetings in HubSpot? You know they're somewhere in there, but finding the specific one you need can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's frustrating, right? You're trying to prep for a sales call, review a client interaction, or analyze your team's performance, and suddenly, your meeting schedule becomes a mystery. Well, you're not alone. Many HubSpot users, especially those new to the platform or managing a high volume of meetings, struggle with this. That's exactly why we're here today. In this video, we're going to demystify the process of finding meetings in HubSpot. We'll cover all the different ways you can locate the meetings you need, quickly and efficiently, so you can spend less time searching and more time doing what matters most: closing deals and growing your business. HubSpot offers a variety of methods for finding meetings, catering to different needs and search criteria. We'll start with the most straightforward approach, the meetings tool itself. This is your central hub for all things meeting-related in HubSpot. Think of it as your meeting command center. To access it, navigate to the Sales drop-down menu in your HubSpot portal and select Meetings. Once you're there, you'll see a calendar view, usually defaulting to the current week. This calendar provides a visual representation of your scheduled meetings. You can easily navigate between weeks, months, or even switch to a daily view for a more granular look. Now, let's say you're looking for a specific meeting. Scrolling through the calendar might work if you have a light meeting schedule. But what if you're dealing with dozens, even hundreds of meetings? That's where the search and filter options come in handy. At the top of the Meetings tool, you'll find a search bar. Here, you can type in keywords related to the meeting you're looking for. This could be the contact's name, the meeting title, or any other relevant information. HubSpot will then filter the calendar to display only the meetings that match your search terms. Beyond basic keyword search, HubSpot offers more advanced filtering options. These allow you to refine your search based on specific criteria, making it even easier to pinpoint the exact meeting you need. You can filter by meeting type, such as sales calls, demos, or internal meetings. You can also filter by meeting status, such as scheduled, completed, or canceled. This is particularly useful for reviewing past meetings or tracking upcoming ones. Another powerful filter is the Assigned to filter. This allows you to view meetings assigned to specific users in your HubSpot account. This is especially helpful for managers who need to review their team's meeting activity. You can combine these filters to create highly specific searches. For example, you could search for all completed sales calls assigned to a particular team member within a specific date range. The possibilities are extensive. Now, let's talk about date ranges. Finding meetings within a specific time frame is crucial for reporting, analysis, and general organization. HubSpot makes this easy with its Date Range Picker. Located near the top of the Meetings tool, the Date Range Picker allows you to select predefined ranges, such as today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, this quarter, last quarter, or this year. You can also define custom date ranges by selecting the start and end dates manually. This gives you complete flexibility in specifying the time frame you're interested in. Another way to find meetings is through the contact or company record. This is incredibly useful when you're looking for all the interactions you've had with a specific contact or company. Navigate to the contact or company record in HubSpot. In the middle pane, you'll find an activity timeline. This timeline displays all the interactions associated with that contact or company, including emails, notes, calls, and, of course, meetings. You can filter the activity timeline to show only meetings, making it easy to see all past and upcoming meetings with that specific contact or company. This is a great way to get a comprehensive view of your relationship history with a particular client or prospect. Furthermore, you can find meetings through reports. HubSpot offers a variety of reports that include meeting data. These reports can be customized to show specific metrics and filter by various criteria, allowing you to analyze your meeting activity in detail. For example, you could create a report that shows the number of sales calls conducted by each team member within a specific time period. You can also use reports to identify trends in your meeting data, such as the average length of sales calls or the conversion rate of meetings to close deals. Finally, let's touch on a feature that often gets overlooked: saved views. If you frequently find yourself searching for the same type of meetings using the same filters, you can save your search criteria as a view. This saves you the trouble of manually applying the filters every time. Simply apply your desired filters, then click the Save button at the top of the Meetings tool. Give your view a descriptive name, and it will be saved for future use. You can then easily switch between saved views, allowing you to quickly access the meeting information you need. So, to recap, you can find meetings in HubSpot through the Meetings tool using the search bar, filtering by various criteria like meeting type, status, and assigned user, specifying date ranges, accessing meetings through contact or company records, utilizing reports, and leveraging saved views. By mastering these different methods, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently find any meeting you need in HubSpot, saving you time and frustration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.